All these computers for 40 bucks. It looks like a good restoration coming up. Please hold. This is do love old tech and the look of Mr. Dirty Dell here. The ad said computers missing RAM and hard drives, but I'm hoping I can breathe some life back into them, and maybe even release a few back into the wild if possible. But first, I have to get through the dirt to see what I'm working with. Did you know when Michael Dell was only 19 years old, he built and sold computers right out of his dorm room in 1984? When he originally started his company, it was called PCs Unlimited, and I'm truly glad he changed it because that famous commercial, "Dude, you're getting a Dell," would have sounded a bit funny as, "Dude, you're getting PCs Unlimited." Anywho, back to this Dell Inspiron 580S. I know it works already because I already tried it. Cleaning out the dirt and grime will let me check for bad or going bad capacitors, plus keep the temps down. Keeping the temps down makes for a quick, quiet, and cool Dell, especially because I'm going to try my hand at some gaming with this puppy. Always, before messing inside a power supply, do some research on the dangers. Just don't go sticking your fingers in there. You might want to look away for this. Oh, that's some horrific, nasty dirt. About time to cue that scrubby-dubby music. Reassembly is always fun, and this power supply is looking good, so I'm confident about it now, but I'm just going to double check my work before it is returned. I just have to bridge the green wire with a negative, and yeah, all systems go, baby. It's time to cover up that i3-530. It's a dual core of 4 threads, and the base frequency is only 2.93 gigahertz with 4 megabytes cache. Not really a preferred gaming CPU, but sometimes if that's all you got, that's all you got. The CMOS battery is an important thing to check. That keeps BIOS settings we choose from reverting back to default. 3 volts is preferred, but I'm going to let this one slide. It's pretty close. Now I have a graphics card that would fit, so why do I have out a zip tie? Curiosity, of course. This is a GTX 1052 gig, and I'm confident there's no way the exposed back will touch any metal, so I'm not worried about the card just to hang it here. So here's what we have: an 1156 socket Dell Inspiron with that old weak core i3-530, Windows 10 Pro on a 240GB Kingston SSD, 8GB of the finest DDR3 memory running at an astounding 1333 MHz. A GTX 1050 zip-tied powered from a 250 watt stock power supply. There we go. Well, duh, aren't you just a little bit curious? I sure am. This is Doom Eternal 720p with some medium-low settings.
From the souls of the non-believers.
Man, I love Dell. Thanks, Mike.